Wanjiro, is tax a hassle if an author markets in foreign markets, Canada, UK, Germany? No, not really. Not really, because you're going to be taxed in your home currency. The retailers are going to convert the currency to your home currency before you get paid. And the only taxes you're going to owe are the taxes in your home currency. That, I imagine, is the case for the majority of people who are watching this. But no, you won't have to pay taxes in England, for example. However, in England, the only thing you have to think about is pricing your book accordingly because of the value added tax. So in some countries around the world, if you price your book at $4.99 or 4 units and 99 cents, depending on where you're selling it, the reader will pay that, but then they'll also pay an additional tax on top of that. So that's the only thing you really got to think about, but not too difficult.